Hi everyone, welcome to Hari's Educational Academy. In this video, we are going to learn about non-finite classes. It is very important topic in English grammar. It is also useful for those who are preparing for the competitive exams. Please don't skip the video, watch it up to the end. If you like the video, press like button, share, comment in the comment section. Those who did not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe. Before going to know about non-finite classes, let us see about what is meant by a class. Class is a group of words in a sentence which has a subject and a verb. That means the sentence which is having a subject and a verb is called a class. In English language, there are two types of classes. They are one is non-finite class and the second one is finite class. Look at the following examples. Through these examples, we can have a clear idea what is meant by non-finite class and what is meant by finite class. In the example 1, there are two sentences. There is a verb in each sentence and each verb has a tense. We can identify the tense of the verbs by looking at them. Both of them are in the past tense since they are in the past tense having V2 forms. These are called finite verbs as they have tense. Whereas in example 2, there are two classes, leading the movement and Wangari Maathai won the Nobel Prize. The verb in the first class has no tense, while the one in the second class has a tense. By observing the two examples, we can have a clear idea what is meant by finite class and what is meant by non-finite class. Finite class. The verb with tense is known as finite verb. The class that has finite verb is known as finite class. For example, Wangari Maathai led the movement. She won the Nobel Prize. In this example, we are having two classes. The two classes are finite class. Let us see how can we say the two classes are finite classes. In the two classes, the verb tells us about the tense. The verb forms in the two classes are led and won. These two tells us about the tense. The two verb forms are in past tense. So we can say that the verb with tense is known as finite verb and the class that has finite verb is known as finite class. So the two classes are having a finite verb. So we can say it is a finite class. Non-finite class. The verb that has no tense is known as non-finite verb. The class that has non-finite verb is known as non-finite class. For example, leading the movement, Wangari Maathai won the Nobel Prize. Observe the example carefully. There are two classes in the given example. The first one is non-finite class and the second one is finite class. Let us see how can we say the first one is non-finite and second one is finite. In the first class, it is having a verb form that is leading. It does not tell about the time. So we can say that is non-finite verb. The class which is having non-finite verb is a non-finite class. So the first class leading the movement is non-finite class. In the second class, Wangari Maathai won the Nobel Prize. Here the verb form is won. It tells about the past tense. So the sentence or a class which is having a finite verb is called a finite class. Let us see the examples. Find the non-finite class in the following sentence. Let us see the first sentence. Born in London, he became the citizen of the UK. In the first sentence, born in London is non-finite class and he became the citizen of the UK. It is finite class. Let us see how the first one is non-finite and the second one is finite. The first one, born in London, it is non-finite class because it depends on the finite class he became the citizen of the UK. The second example, having done his homework, he went out to play. In this sentence, having done his homework is a non-finite class. In this sentence, having done his homework, it is having a verb form that doesn't tell about time or tense. So, it is a non-finite class. In the second class, he went out to play. In this class, the verb form went tells us about the past tense. So, it is a finite class. In the third example, recognized by his boss, he got an appreciation letter. In this sentence, the first class, recognized by his boss, is a non-finite class because in this class, the verb doesn't tell about the time or tense. So, it is a non-finite class. And the next class, he got an appreciation letter. In this class, the verb form got tells us about the past tense. So, it is a finite class. In the fourth example, encouraged by his father, Ravi got distinction in his final examination. In this sentence, encouraged by his father is a non-finite class because it is having a verb form which doesn't tell about time or tense. Moreover, it depends on the finite class in the sentence. Non-finite class depends on the finite class for its tense. Note: a non-finite class has no subject and we only can decide the tense of a non-finite class from the finite class. Those who are watching video, observe the sentence carefully and try to find out the non-finite class in the given sentence. The sentence is, having read the book, I returned it to the library. Try to find out the non-finite class in the given sentence and write it in the comment box. Hope all of you understood about non-finite classes. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.